Special Educational Needs Code of Practice 2014. An introduction. The Children and Families Act came into effect in September 2014 and includes the new 0 to 25 S.E.N.D Code of Practice, focusing on special educational needs and disabilities. This is the first time that a Code of Practice has applied post-16 education and introduces the use of one single plan called an Education, Health and Care Plan, or EHCP for short, which will replace the use of S.E.N. statements and LDAs. The case for change. The reasons for the reform being made are that young people and adults with S.E.N.D achieve less well in terms of life outcomes than those without S.E.N.D. Currently, 30% of young people who are classified as having special educational needs at the age of 16 were not in employment or education by the age of 18. That compares to only 13% of young people who are not statemented. In adults, 46% of able-to-work disabled people are employed, compared to 76% of non-disabled people, and only 7% of people with learning difficulties have been able to find employment. The Code of Practice focuses on life outcomes for young people and is person-centred. The purpose of these changes is to achieve better outcomes and increase aspirations for those with S.E.N.D and to help them achieve their full potential. What works? In 2010, Ofsted published a review of which factors effectively support learners with special educational needs. They found that rigorous monitoring, early interventions, and evaluation of impact encouraged learners and educators to investigate strategies for support, resulting in higher performance. They also found education should encourage high aspirations and a determination to enable young people to be as independent as possible. This led to the best educational achievement. They highlighted the need for a continued focus on and the highest expectations for disabled children and young people with special educational needs, whilst emphasising the positive impact of providing high-quality, differentiated learning experiences. Our duties in further education. As a further and higher education institute, we must use our best endeavours to secure the special educational provision needed by young people. Where a young person has named the college in their education and healthcare plan, we have a duty to admit the young person to the college. We must cooperate with the local authority to identify and meet the needs of young people with special educational needs and disabilities. The process of a plan and how this impacts on us. The government has set out a time frame in which LAs must identify and complete the conversions of S.E.N. statements and LDAs to the new EHCP. Currently, LAs have been completing annual reviews with their Year 11 pupils and identifying through that process those that are eligible to have a conversion to an EHC plan. Where an EHCP conversion occurs for Year 11 applicants, the college is consulted by the LAs in relation to the proposed plan. From date of receipt, the college has to formally respond to the LA within 15 days. We have to confirm that we can offer a place at college and meet the S.E.N.D support needs. Once we confirm this, we have a legal duty to admit the young person to the college. For young people already studying at the college with an LDA, the college is working with LAs to identify who may be eligible for and require an EHCP conversion. The deadline for LDA conversions is September 2016. In summary, the S.E.N.D reforms require a whole college approach. We must work with the local authorities to contribute to their published local offer. This will result in greater involvement of parents and carers in education, a key factor in securing better outcomes. We need to be flexible in offering 16 to 19 study programmes, tailored to meet their needs. Tutors are at the heart of the new S.E.N.D support system. Tutors are responsible for meeting special educational needs by using S.E.N. and learning support staff to deliver high-quality, differentiated teaching.
Created using Powtoon.